Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your microphone to a JBL soundbar. First, check your JBL soundbar. Most models don't have a built-in microphone port or 3.5mm input. So, to connect your microphone, you'll need a few extra tools. A 3.5mm to USB adapter, or a wireless microphone system with a USB or Bluetooth transmitter. If your microphone uses a 3.5mm jack, plug it into the adapter. Then plug the adapter into the USB port of your soundbar. If using a wireless microphone, plug the USB transmitter into the soundbar or pair via Bluetooth. Once connected, test the mic by speaking and checking if the sound comes through the speakers. Note, not all GBL soundbars support microphone input. If it doesn't work, you may need to use an external mixer or karaoke system connected to your TV or media player instead. And that's it. That's how you connect a microphone to your JBL soundbar using adapters or wireless transmitters. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.